G'day, Mccucken. Got a padlock here. This was sent to me by from Swynndla, actually. It's a Paclock 6-penner. Yeah, works beautifully. I'm not going to do it in hand. I'm shit at it in hand. I don't know how people do it, to be honest with you. I tried in hand, but I just kept losing the wrench in my hand. I can't feel anything in my. Once I clamp up my hand, I've got no feeling. I can't control the wrench, so it's just a waste of time. So I'll do it in the vise, which is good enough for me. I'm happy with that. Anyway, getting the Bentley out. At top of the Kiwi. Yeah. It's got a spring tension there too, so that's one of those jobs where you got to find the happy medium. It's probably easier said than done, but at least I've got control of my hand now. I'm not clamping up, so I can feel everything now. So anyway, give it a crack. This is pretty fresh too. I've only had it for a while, but only got it today. I had a look at it today, and I tried it in hand, and the wrench kept flicking off, and I can't feel anything. So that was a foul from my part doing it in hand. Maybe you can probably get away with doing it in hand, I suppose, if you know the lock a bit better. But so yeah, doing it in hand, it's definitely an acquired skill. I haven't got it. I've got no feeling in my finger to do it anyway. So, but that's fine. Got a vise, so use it. A bit of crunching going on there, so I'm pretty sure there'll be serrated pins in there. Drop everything. Come on. Got a nice false set there. So now we'll get out of it. Okay, oh, there we go. Gee. It's nice sort of like that. I'll take that. Anyway, I think I've done this at the spur of the moment, by the way. The reason I've got something to show you too. After a few answers, I'm not particularly cluey to what they are. Well, I know what they are. I can see them, but I'm not sure if they've got any value or whatever. But anyway, shall we get down here? Oh, crikey, what the hell's that? Okay, comes another half-hour video. Unbelievable. Looks like one of those little security heads, I'm not sure. Oh, no, that's a bloody, is that a rivet or something? Oh god, there goes a 5-minute video. Why don't they just put bloody screws down there? Oh look, I'll put you on hold. I can't, I don't know what that is. I'll put you on hold, hang on a sec. Back again. Gee, I don't know, I think it's a, I've got nothing to go, it fits down there. I think it's a rivet, some type of rivet head or something. This is like a security head. But, yeah. Oh no. You're fucking blind. It's definitely a bloody hex head. Hang on a sec, I'll put you on hold again. Hang on. Okay, back again. It is a, yeah, it's not the right one. It's too late here. I'm not going searching around for bloody proper Allen screw. I've got one that sort of fits, so I can sort of get on an angle and get it out. Again, this is not prepared again, so oh well. Yeah, it's anyway. Yeah, got a key, so we'll lock it up. No bloody tools again. This is the problem. I did this off the spur of the moment because I want to show these padlocks, but so I wasn't prepared. So I was going to improvise and so no tweezers either. So what I'll do, I'll just dump the pins from the end one at a time. Okay, number 6. I think the springs are going to be all the same. So it's number 6. A little spool. Another one. Yeah, that's not the most proficient gutting, by the way. I'm not prepared, actually. Anyway. Anyway, you get the drift. Yeah, anyway, and so looks like they're all standard in the bottom. Yeah, some offset little spoolie there. So this is serrated, another spool, serrated and a spool. Anyway, that's it. I'll get that later, tomorrow. It's getting late now, it's on a Friday afternoon, so, well, Friday night actually. So, no idea why I come out to do this, but, oh, okay. Looks like I've been countersunk a bit up. Anyway. Yeah, like I said, while I'm here too, before I go, I scored a few padlocks. I'm not familiar with these. After the the vintage, Ogdens went out of, sold up, and in that transition period, that's what I lost interest in Lockwood. I went to Avis and I've been with them ever since, so to speak. But these are from that period, late 90s to probably very early 2000s. Where are they? Lockwood security products, yeah. So there's the rest of Rebel. There you go. So that was obviously before they sort of pronounced their Asarebloy. So yeah. Anyway, never seen it before. 234.45 obviously, but a closed shackle. But very odd to see the brass bottom on it. So I'm not familiar with these. I don't have any value in them or collectible or whatever. I scored 2 of those. So they're 234.45. Looked like the predecessor of the 334 closed shackle steel padlock. But that brass bit at the bottom, I've never seen that before. Yeah, I scored this one too, which is, I think, I've never seen any of these one for a long time. 311.57. So I think TR had one of these. I'm pretty sure he picked one of these on his channel. Yeah, so 311.57. Like I said, I don't see them very often, but yeah, I scored those 3. Got them from a guy in Adelaide, right place at the right time. Yeah, pretty reasonable price too. But I don't know, probably Funky's the expert, I suppose, on padlocks, Lockwood stuff, so, and especially padlocks, so let me know if they're any worth anything, mate. But so yeah, it was too good of a deal to let go, so I bought them, and yeah, I don't know what to do with them yet, but who knows. Anyway, that'll do. Sorry about the long delay, just I wasn't prepared, obviously. I got no tools, no tweezers, nothing, so anyway, that'll do. So next time, take care, and yeah, goodbye.